Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video we are going to bring things together. Till now we have written all the code for validating the winners, but we just didn't have combined all the code. Till now we have written about vertical winners, diagonal winners and horizontal winners. So in this video I am going to add and combine all the programs that we have written. So now let's get started. So now what I will do is I will remove all this multi-line comment from here and here. And now what I will do is I will cut this one and remove this one and paste it here and save it. And one more thing, that is this for diagonals. And now what I will do is I will come here. Okay. So now what I will do is I will go here and give. Before that I will do one more thing, that is I will select all the one and tab it over. For not confusing, I will give here one more command, that is horizontally, and it will be confusing for us, right? That's why here and diagonally, and this is for vertically. Vertically. So now what I will do is I will give here, I will remove this one and save this one. So I will give here is player equals not equals. I will give line 0 and this brackets player give horizontally. So now what I will do is I will save this one now. Okay, so now I will copy this code and here I will give press here enter and give like this. Diagonal is there, I will copy this. And here also line and here also diagonal. Okay, on the game diagonally. So now what I will do is I will go here and I will do the same thing. Okay, I will copy this line and I will paste it here. Okay, this is the line, right? And I will paste it with check and player won the game horizontally. This is horizontally, diagonally and vertically. Vertical, right? So now I will save this program and now what I will do is let's run this program. I have combined all the code and now let's run this program. It's not showing anything. To run it again. Okay, it's showing S player 2 on the game diagonally. And now what if we got the diagonally, right? So now I will give it 1 and let's run this program. Okay, clear up all this one. Why it's not coming? Because we have not copied this one and paste it here. So now let's run this program again. Player 1 won the game diagonally. It's showing it like this. So now what if we give here 2? Is it coming like this or not? And here 1. Run it again. Player 1 won the game vertically. And diagonally. And now we have gone the vertically, and what we give 2, 1, and here also 1. Let's run this program again, and player 1 won the game diagonally and horizontally. Also why? Because I will give you 0 and run it again. Player 1 won the game horizontally. Okay, I will clear up all this one. So now we have tested the code for all for everything, vertically, diagonally, like this and like this, and what is that? Okay, horizontally. For many days we have not tested our game since it was part 7 this program, right? So now what I will do is I will copy this block of code here and paste it here, and I will paste this here. Okay, in our main file I have pasted this one. Okay, we have given just try wrong, and everything we give correct. Here 2 equals to right. So now what I will do is, what we need to do is, so now let's ask the user for input. For that we need to write some lines of code, right? So now let's write that. So now what I will do is, after here, right here only. Okay, here something went wrong is there. Why I will create some true, and then players equals to 1 comma 2, and while play again I will copy this one. I should make this comment, and I will go here, and with that will copy this line. I will paste here, and now what I will do is I will give here some tab. I will remove this one, and now what I will do is I have to give some lines of code. I will give this game 1, then game 1 equals false, and again game. So what if we give game equals to tic-tac-toe is there, and just to display I will copy this line. We have given this. Now while not game 1, I will see this one, and now current player equals 1, and this here also column choice equals end, and then in the end I will give you input, and in the brackets I will give quotation marks. It's column to you. Comma 2. So here I will close this bracket. Now I will copy this line again, Control C here, and again paste it here. In which row you want is which row do you want to play. Row. And now what I will do is I will give copy this line and paste it here, give me equator comma game comma current player. And now row choice and here column choice. Column choice right. Okay, so now what I will do is let's run this program in our command prompt. So now I will give and Python py. Which column do you want to play? I will give this. Okay, we have, will control C it again. We have done here space and save it. I will clean this and now let's run it again. Which column I want to play? 0th column, and we want to play is the second column. We have 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. Oh, so now 3. Okay, I will clean it again, and now let's run it again. I want to place the first column. Okay, and there's first row, 1 has changed, and then I want to place second column and 0th row. It's 1 1 1, and then I want to play the last first column and the last one. Okay, 1 1 1 we have got. Okay, so now let's quit this one. Okay, so now what I will do is till now we have, so now we can play the game, but what you want to do is you want to change the player number each time. What we are doing is every time we are playing the game. Okay, and for example, let's say we are playing on our paper, and what we are giving is player 1. So there are 2 players, that is me and that is you. Okay, so now what you will do is you will give some O and I will give some X, whatever. So we are the players. Each time I will write for the first time, then you will write for the second time, then again write. Each time everyone plays. So here I want to know that I should show that player 1 is playing the game and player 2 is playing the game. So now what I will do is I will open my web browser and search here that Python flip between numbers. I will use stack of flow, and where are the answers? One toggle between 2 values 0 and 1. We can't. Okay, use iterator tools not cycle from iterator tools, import cycle, my iterator. Cycle, right? So now what I will do is I will create some file known as test.py. I will save it. Okay, so now what I will do is I will give import tools, then I will give player choice. Player choice equals to tools dot cycle, and in the brackets I will give 1 comma 2. So now I will give use your for loop for I in range. I will give a is 10 range, and then let's print player choice dot txt. So now let's run this program. As again, it's showing some error attributed error. I will copy this one and search here. I was using it to dot method. There's no method. So was removed. It was removed in 3 Python 3, right? So we are using Python 3.7, and he's saying that it was removed in Python 3. So what I will do is use next instead example. Okay. So I will clear up all this one. So now what I will do is I will give next. I will copy this one. Okay. Here I should paste, right, and here I should. So now let's run this program. It's showing 2 1 2 1 2 1. Okay, it is showing 2 1 2 1. Why? Because we have given here 1 comma 2. What if we give 2 comma 1 and run it again? Showing 2 1, right? Okay. So now let's save this one. I will clear up all this one now. So now what I will do is I will copy this line. Where is this? Cycle player choice, and paste it in the test here in the below 3 2 lines. Game one. Where is this one? Game one equals to false, right here. I will paste it here, and we forget to give is. And paste it here. So now I have given it import iterator tools. So now let's run this in our console. First column, right, and first row it's showing 1, and which column do you want to play? Should give a raise 0 and then 1 again. Okay, what I want to do is this is not matching here, which I will give here is what column. So when we are playing, I want to show which player we are being, which player I am, that is either I am who is playing, the player 1 or player 2. So now what I will do is I will give current player in place of current player equals to 1 is there, right? So I will remove that and give equals to x, and then the give here choice. So now let's run this program in our command prompt. Which column? Let's give 0, and which row? 0 only. We have given 1 there, and now what I will do is I will give here 2 2 is there, then column is there, right? Click in column and first 1, and 2 0 0. Current player equals to everything is there, right? Where is that? 1 comma 2, and here and now what I will do is current see clear choices there, and cycle is there, and input would you want game comma current player is there, which game? This one, right? Then current player row choice, so current player everything is fine, right? Which column? That is 1. Current player is equal to player choice. Where is this player choice? Iterative tools. Tools dot cycle. For iterative tools, import so now import is dot cycle is there, it's showing, right? Import tools comma, okay. So now let's run this program again, not here. So this is the last, let's write here. Let's give here 1, Okay, so guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.